In today's video, we are going to cover how to view overdue tasks in Clio Manage. Start from your Clio Manage account where you are already logged in and open the main dashboard. This is the starting point for moving into the task area where your current work items are listed. From the left-hand navigation menu, click Tasks. This opens the section that contains the tasks connected to your account and the matters you have access to. Once the Tasks page loads, open the task list so you can view the full set of available tasks in one place. At the top of the Tasks page, locate the Filters area. This is where you can narrow the list based on task details. For this process, focus on the Due Date filter, since that is the filter used to identify tasks that have passed their scheduled due date. Open the Due Date filter and look for the option labeled Overdue, if that option appears in your current Clio Manage view. Depending on your layout or permissions, the exact filter display may vary slightly, so pay attention to the due date options at the top of the page. After selecting Overdue, apply the filter to update the list. Clio Manage will then display tasks with due dates that have already passed and that are not marked complete. This helps separate overdue items from tasks that are upcoming, completed, or not assigned a past due date. With the filtered list visible, review the overdue tasks shown on the page. As you look through the list, check the key information attached to each item, including the task name, the due date, the assignee, and the related matter. These details help confirm which task needs attention and where it belongs within your matters. If you want more information about one of the overdue tasks, click that task to open its details. Inside the task record, you can view the complete task information associated with that item. This is useful when you need to confirm the full context of the overdue task before taking any next action in your account. When you are finished reviewing one task, return to the tasks list to continue checking other overdue items. You can move back and forth between the filtered list and individual task details as needed while keeping the overdue view in focus. Thanks for watching. Your tasks list is now filtered to display overdue tasks in Clio Manage.